Hey Codesies, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how large language models like ChatGPT actually work. Ever wonder how an AI understands your question? How does it go from your words to a smart answer? We'll solve that mystery today. It all starts with tokens. Think of tokens as the AI's building blocks for language. Your text gets broken into these tokens. One word can be one token or many. Hello Codesies! Exclamation mark might be 3 or 4 tokens. Tokens are how LLMs process and understand language. They're the currency of AI communication. Before 2017, AI struggled with understanding long sentences. Then came the transformer architecture. This was a huge breakthrough. In 2017, Google researchers published a groundbreaking paper called Attention is All You Need. This paper introduced the transformer architecture, which revolutionized how AI processes language. Before this, AI models processed text sequentially, word by word. This paper showed a completely different approach. The paper introduced this architecture diagram. At its core, the transformer has two main parts, an encoder and a decoder, connected by attention layers. This diagram became the blueprint for modern LLMs. Every major language model today is built on this foundation. The key is self-attention. Instead of reading words one at a time, the model looks at every word in a sequence simultaneously. When it sees it immediately understands how it relates to animal the most. This is self-attention, the model paying attention to all the parts of the input at once, understanding context and relationship in parallel. But how does the model decide what comes next? It uses probabilities. The model calculates scores for every possible next token, then uses something called softmax to convert these scores into probabilities. So when you see the cat sat, the model might assign a 90% probability to on, a 5% to near, and so forth. It picks the most likely option, but randomness can be introduced later on, which is why you don't always get the same exact answer every time you chat with your language model. This attention mechanism is key. It lets the model understand context and meaning across a whole sentence, not just word by word. It's how modern AI is so good at language. GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, builds on this. Pre-trained means it learned from a massive amount of data. Two key concepts for prompt engineering are temperature and context window. Temperature controls how creative or precise the AI is. A low temperature means more predictable answers. A high temperature means more very creative outputs. The context window is how much information the LLM can remember at once. Understanding tokens, transformers, and how GPT predicts text helps you write better prompts. You'll see why certain techniques work and how to guide the AI more effectively.